Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a freelance copy editing business using Grammarly. First, define your niche. Identify the type of content you want to edit, such as academic papers, blog posts, or marketing materials. Research the demand for copy editing services in your chosen niche. Create a portfolio showcasing your editing skills. Include samples of your work, whether they are personal projects or pieces you have edited for others. Establish your pricing structure. Consider hourly rates or project-based fees, and research competitors' rates for similar services. Sign up for Grammarly and explore its features. Utilize its grammar, punctuation, and style suggestions to enhance your copy editing. Start with the free version, but consider upgrading if you need advanced features. Join online platforms where freelance work is posted. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients. Craft a professional profile highlighting your skills and experience. Be sure to mention your use of Grammarly as a tool for high-quality editing. Network within relevant communities. Join forums and social media groups for writers and editors to build relationships and gain referrals. Set clear policies and guidelines for your services. Outline your process, turnaround times, and revision policies for clients. Promote your services through social media and personal networks. Create content that demonstrates your expertise and engages potential clients. Deliver quality work consistently to build a positive reputation. Encourage satisfied clients to leave reviews or testimonials. Continually seek feedback to improve your services. Stay updated on industry trends and advancements in copy editing. Invest time in refining your editing skills and expanding your knowledge. In time, scaling your business may involve hiring other freelance editors or expanding your service offerings. With dedication and strategic planning, your freelance copy editing business can thrive using Grammarly as a key tool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.